What's going on, guys? Today we have another Air Max 90, and as I'm sure most of you know, it is my favorite silhouette, or one of my favorite silhouettes, and this is the brand new pair, the brand new colorway, the red Ivories. Now on the Nike website you can see specifically on the colorway it says gym red, habanero red, and smoke gray, and pale ivory. That's a lot of colors on one sneaker. All right, I'll give you that, but quality and the way they mixed the reds and the gray is amazing, I tell you. I mean, the touch of white as well really adds to these sneakers. And they even come with an extra pair of laces, which are the white pair. And on the sneakers, they come with the red laces, which I think is a big mistake. I don't think red will go well together. I mean, I sort of think they should have stuck with just white laces, if you ask me. But yeah, I mean, quality is spot on. I love the quality of this Air Max 90. With the premium releases, you get nothing but the finest materials, and this one is no exception. I mean, look at that leather. Look at the red leather. You got the fine leather here. You got this sort of, I mean, the swoosh is just, look at that swoosh, man. Look at that white leather. You got a bit of long hair, suede. Everything about this sneaker just screams quality. Look at the quality. Look at that. Tumble leather on the swoosh. Now the sock liner is also quite nice. It's quite soft. It's well padded. Well, I will show you guys now what it looks like with white laces on. And this is the Air Max 90 red ivories with white laces. And I will put the red ones next to it now. And you guys just decide which one looks better in your own opinion. And let me know below which one you think looks better. Now onto the on feeds. On feet again, these are Air Max 90s. If you know, you know. Fucking comfortable, very comfortable pair of sneakers. These are the type of sneakers that go well with everything. And I've left one pair with the red laces on and another pair with white laces on, just so you guys can see what they look like on feet. But again, for me personally, it is the white laces all the way. I just think with the red ones, it's too much red. And crease wise, you will be perfectly safe from creases because of the toe box, the material. I mean, if it was leather, you'd be fucked. But yeah, definitely recommend it. They are true to size, and I would 100% recommend them if you're into red sneakers, of course. But yeah, guys, that's it for today. If you have any questions, please let me know below, and I will see you guys on the next one.